Swinging Café Doors was founded to create unique and custom swinging door solutions. As opposed to where most companies have a brief, small catalog offering, we came up with an extensive line of unique designs to enhance any home or business.
Our company's grown significantly in the last 5 years, so we work very closely together to ensure that we are meeting the customer requirements, making sure that they're getting exactly what they want when they open that package.
The company was started out of a desire to handcraft custom door solutions for both commercial and residential customers.
Our custom hardwood doors are manufactured with rail and style joinery. This is a time-tested joint. The doors that you see in the 150-year-old Victorian home have very similar joints, and your grandchildren will be enjoying these doors in 100 years from now. We make them per the customer specifications. The wood that we use is harvested from the northeastern part of the United States. They're made in the USA by me in particular and some of the employees that I have as well. But I touch every single set of doors that comes through here. It's very labor intensive, and we have a lot of man hours in building a set of doors. So the passion for building doors shows in the quality of the doors that we build. We're able to take individual concepts and bring them to life for the customer.
So we can make each one unique for the customer's door opening width, and still ensuring a perfect fit inside the opening. In addition to the custom doors, we also offer a full line of doors pre-made in stock for quick shipping for standard door opening sizes such as 30 inches, 32 inches, and 36 inches wide. We feel very blessed to have a business doing what we love and helping customers improve their homes and businesses.